Hi. Today, we will see an extremely important concept regarding options trading. I don't do options trading at all, so I was not aware of this concept till yesterday. So I thought I would make this video so that people like me, who are unaware of this, will get to know it soon, and it will benefit them very, very much. Okay. So, I was creating a simple TradingView strategy for my friend. He intends to apply this strategy to options trading. So, we decided to tally trades on the spot chart, with the trades on the respective option strike price charts. We were working on a Nifty index chart. So, we observed something very, very strange. I know that, when you see a certain price movement on the spot chart, the exact movement is not replicated on the option chart in the same manner. For example, if you see a 100-point upward movement on the spot chart, then, depending upon which strike price and which expiry date you have chosen, you may see varied results on the options charts. Somewhere, you may see a movement of only 50 points. Somewhere of only 20 or 30 points. And so on. But see here. We got this nice short trade on the Nifty spot chart on the 29th of May. We get our entry here. And we get our exit here. That's a nice short trade of around 80 to 90 points. But, when I try to see what happens to this exact trade on the put option charts of various strike prices and various expiry dates, everywhere I see a loss of 10 to 20 points. Imagine a profit of 80 points on the spot chart versus a loss of 20 points on all the option charts. I had losses on some option charts and made a profit on some option charts, then I would have understood. But, here, I got a loss on each and every option chart, no matter which chart I opened. I tried using the nearest expiry and next expiry dates. I tried charts with ATM, OTM and ITM strike prices. But the result was the same. Loss of at least 10 to 20 points. This was devastating. I know there are factors like option Greeks and all that affect the option prices. I understand that a theta decay occurs when you buy the options. But here the trade was completed in mere 10 minutes. So how could the premium decay that much? This was beyond my understanding. So, no matter how good a strategy we design and code in the TradingView, even if God himself gives me a strategy with a 100% winning rate, that will be of no use if the same price movement is not followed on the actual option charts. Option charts are the real deal, that's where we actually take our trades. So they matter more than the spot charts. So I thought this entire exercise of thinking, designing, and coding trading strategies for options is absolutely useless. But then, I shared this issue with a few of my friends, who are seasoned in the field of options trading. And the solution that I got from one of my friends was absolutely simple. The solution is that you do not apply the strategy on the spot chart. Instead, you apply the strategy to a futures contract chart. The option charts do not follow the spot charts. Instead, the options charts follow the futures contract chart. Now see, here, in place of a spot chart, I have opened the Nifty futures chart. And we can clearly see that the price movement on the futures and options chart mostly coincides. So, if we had followed the futures chart, we would have easily seen that there was no 80 to 90 points worth short sell trade here anywhere. So we would not have got this extremely bad illusion that the options prices are going against my analysis, no matter what I do. I know there are tons of other factors like options Greeks, volatility, theta decay, etc. That affects the premium prices, but at least now we see resonance between the chart where we apply our strategy on the TradingView and the chart where we actually execute the trade. So remember, if you have an options trading strategy on TradingView, never ever apply it on the spot chart and try to tally it with the option charts. Instead, apply it to the respective futures contract chart and then you may try to tally it with the option charts. This applies to all the option instruments, like Nifty, Bank Nifty, and all. I learnt this new thing yesterday, and I hope that it will help you too. Thanks for watching.